Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to show you the services you can perform on the SH4000. I'm going to show you how to remove the sash and replace the balances. The first step in removing the sash are removing your sash stops. There's going to be two of them, one in the top right and one in the top left corner. The next step is to pop out your takeout clips. There's one on each side of the window that must be popped out. The next step is to unlock your sash, raise the sash all the way to the top until the top of the balances catch your takeout clips. When the top of the balances catch the takeout clips, your sash is going to be free. You can slide it to one side of the window and then swing out the other side. I'm now ready to remove the block and tackle balance. The top of the balance is held in by the takeout clip. If I push down on the block and tackle, I can now follow it upward and remove it from the jam. To replace your block and tackle balance, you'll begin by setting the hook, which is at the bottom of the balance, into the square cutout of your jam. I've now hooked the bottom of the balance into the frame jam. If you have troubles, use a pair of needle nose pliers to assist you. Once hooked, push down on the block and tackle, and the top of the block and tackle is going to hook underneath the takeout clip. I'm now ready to set the sash into the frame. The top of the sash must be higher than the top of the balance. You'll set the side of the sash into the jam, swing, and set the other side of the sash into the frame. When you start to push down the sash, it's going to center itself and it should hold into position. The next step is to push in both takeout clips. Remember, there's one on each side, and the last step is to push in your sash stops. One other service you can check for are the open cell foam pads. If you hear the window like whistling or if it's percolating water on the inside, make sure the open cell foam pad is down in the bottom corner up against the jam. If for some reason the open cell foam pad is not there, a new one will have an adhesive backing that can be stuck to the bottom of the sill. To recap, I've now shown you how to remove the sash and replace the balances. I'm Patrick Jamison, and thanks for watching.